Sa downtown, lakad ka lang na lakad. Sa downtown, wala na tayo.
Cinnamon nut. We have a couple of food choice over here. This one looks nice. It's a cranberry omega loaf. So today is the 27th of July. It's 8:20 in the morning. Today is Tuesday. So I'm aboard the coastal celebration ferry boat on my way to Squartsby from Chawasin. So I will be going to downtown Victoria and do some vlogging. So I have here my bag. Camera. This is camera bag. It's like a suit bag, but most of it, what's inside is camera gadgets, lens, and vlogging stuff. So I brought with me this one tripod and another one mini tripod here. So this bag is, I just bought this new one. This is a new bag for basically for my vlogging. So it's a little bit chubby. It's a little bit big. But the good thing about this is what I like about this bag is it is wheeled. So I don't need to carry this on my bag. But the good thing about this is this is also act as a backpack, because you can see you have this strap for making this as a backpack. So it's quite big. It fits a lot of stuff. So in here, so my laptop is here. The good thing about this is I can access this laptop without fully opening this, because you can just here. It's very convenient. Yeah, and those are some of my stuff. Later on I'm going to make a video for all of the stuff inside this bag. So this is quite nice. It's like a suit bag. Actually you can use this as a suit bag. The only thing is I can just remove all of this divider inside, and it can be used for clothing. So right now this ship is quite, it's already filled with passengers. We're just about 20 minutes on our way to Squartsby. So this This the travel time is about 1.5 hours to reach Squartsby.
William and Max, we are still looking for you.
This coastal celebration is
Deck 6, midship.
a big ship. It's about 160 meters
Steward's office, deck 6,
long.
across from the gift shop.
That is about equivalent to it's equivalent to about that's 480 feet or about 5-story building high. So it can accommodate about 1,600 passengers, including the crew, and it can also accommodate 370 vehicles in the lower deck. So this was built in launch in 2008. So pretty much this is a new ship. It's only about 13 years old. So as you can see, the construction of the ship is a little bit nice, well maintained, it's modern, it's very good.
Now we'll talk to the chief. I'm just like, whoa.
Yeah, so this pantry is the pantry of the ship is quite big. It can accommodate about the main pantry about more than 100 passengers at a time. And there's a side tables here if we need an extra chairs. So this ship is 6 deck, and the rooftop is the 7th. So the 2 to 4 deck is used for vehicles, whereas for the 5 and 6 deck are for passengers. The 7th deck is the topmost, which is for sightseers. It's the roof of this ferry boat.